Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag on Roblox and fix the slow win problem also, all that in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Roblox. As you can see, I don't have any lag right now because I fixed it. So how I did it? First thing, go to the top corner right here. As you can see, click on the Roblox logo and then go to the settings page right here and then scroll down and you will find many options right here. Just go to the graphics mode and make it manual like this and make the graphics quality as lower as possible. Now go back and try it and I'm sure it's gonna work. If it's not, then all what you have to do is go to the home page of your phone and go to the settings on your phone and then go to apps manager and wait a few seconds, go to apps, and now all what you have to do here is simple. Just search for Roblox between all the apps on your phone and then click on it like this, go to the storage, and then all what you have to do is so simple guys. Just click on clear data and then click on clear cache and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.